Hi everybody, it's Lorie from Dee's back with some beautiful kits for you. So check out, this is an upcoming kit with our little gnome that say Bees Make Life Sweet. This is a really cute one that will be coming pretty soon to shopdeeslouisville.com. But today we are going to make this adorable little beehive. So we are going to have a beautiful time. So everything that you need is in your kit. This is going to be so quick and easy. I know we say that a lot, but we try to keep things so that people who have a lot going on can still create and have time to make something without having to invest all day in it. So I'm removing my tag off my little bead. You can leave your little hanger on it or you can remove it. So in this kit, we have this beautiful daisy mix stem. I've used this in some other things, and it's just absolutely amazing. So I'm going to trim off some of that stem, and we're going to leave some of this branch going. And I'm going to kind of bend this and shape this up a little bit here. So this little beehive is a foam. It's very lightweight, but it's very easy to use. So all we're going to do is poke this right into the side of our beehive. Now once you get it positioned where you want, I'm going to go back and put a little glue on this stem here. Put a little glue there. And then we're just going to pop it right back in that hole that we just made, right there. And that's going to hold that right into place. And then you can bend and shape and spread out your leaves. Fluff this up all nice and pretty. This pick has some beautiful foliage and it has a lot of extra little added fun things. So it looks like a lot going on without having to do a lot of work. And that's always our favorite thing. So next we are going to go in and take our ribbon. We've got this beautiful little black and white check wired ribbon. And I'm just going to leave a little tail, twist, pinch and gather, twist, pinch and gather. And then we've got this fun little bee ribbon. And I'm just going to put a little swatch of that in there just to tie in that little bee theme there. And we're going to wrap our wire around that and pull that nice and tight. And I'm going to trim off my excess wire. Make sure you trim those tails and make your ribbon pretty. This is a nice thick ribbon, as you can see when I'm trying to cut it. It's actually a really beautiful, nice quality ribbon. And we're just going to go right in here and tuck this in down low where we use our connection where that stem meets the beehive. And I'm just going to wrap that around there, pull it nice and tight. And then we can go back in and fluff up our stems. Fluff our ribbon up, kind of position it where you want it to be. And this ribbon is really nice. You can wrap it around your finger. It's so stiff. You can have little curls coming off. And this is just a beautiful little sitter. And last but not least, what would a beehive be without some beautiful little bees? So we have these really cute little beaded little bees. And we're going to put just a little bit of glue on the bottom of our bee. And this one is going to be down here smelling the beautiful flowers. We'll just tuck him right there. And then we can take this other one. And I'm going to bend some greenery over just a little bit, like he's just joined his friend. We'll put a little glue right there on his paws. His paws, I don't know that bees have paws, but, and there we go. Get rid of those glue strings. And how sweet is that? So for all the bee lovers out there, this is a great, easy to make sit around. And this kit is available at shopdeeslouisville.com.